now that you have a list of subscribers, it's like having an ATM machine. Because I myself, I have a list of subscribers and I email my list every day. I promote affiliate products every day, or at least I try to promote affiliate products every day to my list. So I earn commissions almost every day from my list. And depending on how comfortable you feel emailing your list, you could email them every day or every other day or twice a week if you want. It's up to you. And you could also write a series of autoresponder emails to build a relationship and also to promote related affiliate products. So basically, when someone opts in, joins your list, they'll automatically receive these emails from you. These autoresponder emails, you could write 5 of them, 10, or even 30 or more. And you will need an autoresponder such as GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, and so on. There are several autoresponder tools in the market. I've been using GetResponse for several years now, so I do highly recommend GetResponse.